Guys, so today I'm going to be showing you 8 DIY Christmas gift ideas if you're trying to shop at the last minute. So here is the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need various little packages like bags and boxes to put your gifts in, coconut oil, some chocolate covered spoons, chocolate covered pretzels, chocolate covered marshmallows for hot cocoa, some cute mugs, mason jars, sugar, a charcuterie board, and some other little knickknacks you can find at Target. All of these items I did find at Target. First one is you're going to need a cute mug. I got this mug from Target. It was $3.99. And also you're going to need some chocolate covered marshmallows. This one has peppermint on there. And then you're going to need some plastic with a ribbon, but that is for later. So first you're going to take all the tags off your marshmallows because we don't want the tags on there, just for more a decor aspect. Then you're going to take some stuffing paper and just stuff it right into the mug and add all of your marshmallow treats right into the mug. Now you can leave it just like this, like a little bouquet of marshmallow goodies for hot chocolate. I really like how this looked. It was super cute. It was almost like an edible arrangement, and you can add different things to pop out depending on who your mug is for, and you can also customize the mug. So to make it a little bit more special, I just had this plastic laying around, so I decided to put the mug in there and add the marshmallows back in the cup, but unfortunately they all couldn't fit in this, and you have to really shove the paper down in there. But it did give it a more appealing look, more clean and easy look to present to someone. So the next gift is another mug idea. I did buy 2 of these mugs, and I bought some hot chocolate, and I have some more peppermint marshmallow things and some spoons that is covered with chocolate and marshmallows. So first you're going to take your stuffing paper. I chose white this time, and you're going to stuff the mug. Then you're going to go ahead and add your chocolate covered marshmallows and your chocolate covered spoons with marshmallows on there as well. So I decided to go ahead and show you guys what it looked like just without the box, and I love how it looks like this. You can also personalize this mug as well, but I wanted to add some hot chocolate with it. In order to add hot chocolate with this mug, I needed to add everything into a box. So depending on your box, you can add a whole box of hot chocolate, but I just put the mug right in there, added the marshmallows and the spoon and some hot chocolate right on the side, and just put the lid on. So the next gift is super easy. It's for one of your foodie friends, if your friends really love sweet things, desserts, and junk food. So this is a perfect box for them. So I found this little box at Target, and I'm adding some stuffing paper. I added some hot chocolate, some variety popcorn, chocolate covered peanuts, and some cookies. And I'm going to add a peppermint candy and another chocolate covered marshmallow and a chocolate covered spoon, and I'm just gonna pack that all in there. The struggle was real trying to get this guy closed. And to make it a little bit more personalized, I did tie a little ribbon around and add a cute little tag, and you can add your person's name on there. So here's the final look. These are all the goodies inside the box. I'm pretty sure whoever you give this to will really love it. So the next one's more for a manly man who loves food. This is a simple charcuterie board I found at Target that has the salami, the cheese, the crackers, and 2 spreads. So I'm just going to take a nice cute gift bag and add some tissue paper and sit it right in this, and this will make a perfect white elephant gift. So the next gift is for someone who loves to stay at home and be comfy all day. And I bought these things from Target from their little, I guess $1, $3, $5 aisle. So I got some little bath bombs, some comfy socks, and a cute candle and some hot chocolate. So unfortunately this container was too small, but I want to show you, if you find one that's similar and a little bit thicker, you'll be able to sit everything nice and easy and be able to close the lid. So I did just take the bath bombs out of the little cup wine glass that it came in and took that and separated to just give it a more pleasing look, and just kind of added everything into the box. I did wind up taking the hot chocolate out just so you guys can get the whole look of the box, but you can just slide the hot chocolate at the bottom. These items were super affordable. The socks were $1, the candle was $3, and the other thing was $3 as well. So the next one here is where we get into the real DIY. I'm going to make a peppermint sugar scrub for the ladies who love to smell good. So all you need is some organic coconut oil, peppermint essence, some sugar, depending on if you want organic or you want some raw cane sugar, and that's about it. And you need a bowl and a measuring cup, a spoon, and a whisk. You don't really need the whisk, it's only if you want to whisk. So you need about 2/3 cup of coconut oil, and you're going to just scoop that into your bowl and make sure it's microwavable safe, and you can warm it in the microwave. It takes about a minute or 45 seconds. In the meantime, we're going to take 2 cups of sugar and add it into our bowl. Now while we're waiting for that, I'm just going to open my peppermint oil and check out my coconut oil and see if it's ready. It's almost there, so I'm just going to stir it and microwave it one more time. Now we're going to add 15 drops of peppermint oil to our coconut oil and add all of that to the sugar. Unfortunately, my brightness was too bright and you guys can't see how we kind of melt together. So you're gonna stir it really well just to make sure that every grain of sugar has that coconut peppermint oil mixture into it, and it gets kind of chunky. And once you finish that, it's pretty much done. Now you can go ahead and scoop this right into mason jars. You can add a little bit of crushed peppermint in there if you want to, or even stick a peppermint candy cane to it. I'm just going to tie it with this little string that I have here just to make it a little bit more festive and cute. But obviously, if you're going to present this to someone, you can definitely do something better. And Pinterest has a lot of ideas, and I'm just going to add a little name tag, and there's there. So as you guys can see, it's super cute, and you can label on the top to say like sugar peppermint scrub, and also it is very moisturizing, so I love it, and it smells so delicious. So the next one is another DIY make it your own. I'm going to be making some whipped shea butter using a stretch mark cream and tea tree oil. So I'm taking 2 of my yellow raw shea butter containers. I'm going to add that into a microwavable bowl. And yes, you need about 2 of them depending on how many you're making. I was making about 9 or 10, so this was a great amount. It took about 2 minutes to get it to this consistency. Once it kind of melted mostly, I added in a 1/2 cup of coconut oil. Then I'm just going to make sure it's mixed really well. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 tablespoon of tea tree oil in here as well. This helps heal and hydrates the skin. Once that's all blended, I'm going to add this Palmer's stretch mark cream into this. It may look a little gross at first, but everything will blend nice together if you follow this method. This is to help reduce the appearance of stretch marks. I really love it. It kind of quickens the whole shea butter coconut oil process by adding this. So then I'm just going to take a hand mixer and just blend it all together, because you want to make sure all those oils combined blend really well. I did put it in the fridge for 10 minutes, and then I blended it again, and then I put it in the fridge again for another 20 minutes, and then I came back and this is what it looked like. So I kept blending. So I'm just going to let it sit on the counter, and by sitting, you guys can see that it starts to solidify on its own. So now when I came back, as you guys can see, it's really hard and it did it all by itself. So I'm going to blend it to really whip it and give it a nice smooth consistency, and all the oils in the cream mix really well together. So once you finish blending it, you can just scoop it into your mason jars. You can label your jars, make them really cute, and label it stretch mark, whipping cream, or whatever you want to give it. And that was that. I use this stuff all the time on my own skin, and it really does work. So I suggest you guys try out this little recipe. And it's super creamy and moisturizing, so a little bit goes a long way. So the last one is really easy and simple. If you cannot think of anything else, let's just do a gift card. Get a cute dollar bag, some cute stuffing, and your gift card, and just put it in there and you're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was some good ideas for you guys to come up for Christmas. Let me know what are some of your last minute DIY videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Guys, since you guys are already here, don't forget to click and view some of my latest videos, and don't forget to click and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.